Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to add new rules and describe conditions of card price rules. And what is card price rule? Card price rules apply discounts to items in the shopping cart, based on a set of conditions. To add a new rule, on the admin sidebar, tap Marketing. Then under Promotions, choose Card Price Rules. Tap Add New Rule. Under Rule Information, complete the rule name and description. If you don't want the rule to go into effect immediately, set Active to No. Select the websites where the promotion is to be available. Select the customer groups to which the promotion applies. To associate a coupon with a price rule, set coupon to specific coupon. Expand the conditions sections. When prompted to choose the condition to add, choose Product subselection. Click Add at the beginning of the next line. Then add a condition that is based on category. Then, open the chooser to display the category tree. To add more conditions, click Add and define another condition. Coming up next, we will learn how to define the actions and labels of card price rules. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,